keeps flowing past yesterday. Every quiet sunrise takes pain.